close your eyes for a moment and breathe with me. Have you ever felt so much emotion at once that you couldn't breathe, and then felt nothing at all? It's terrifying, isn't it? First, you're drowning in waves of sadness, anger, fear. Then, it's like you shut down completely. You go numb, detached, empty inside your own life. And you wonder, what's wrong with me? Why am I broken? Listen closely. You are not broken. You are experiencing emotional flooding. Today, I'm going to show you why this happens and how you can gently, powerfully find your way home to yourself. What emotional flooding really is. Emotional flooding is not a drama. It is not overreacting, it's survival. Hear what happens inside you. Your brain perceives emotional overload. Too much sadness, anger, fear, all at once. Your amygdala, the fear center, goes into red alert. Your body produces cortisol and adrenaline. And your thinking brain, the prefrontal cortex, goes offline. This is your body's emergency plan. Overload detected, shut down non-essential systems, survive. This is why you cry with no control. You feel like you're drowning. You say things you don't mean. Or you freeze and feel nothing at all. It is not a personal flaw. It is a biological emergency response. And if you were never taught how to regulate emotions safely, or if you lived through trauma where feelings were dangerous, your nervous system had no choice but to overwhelm or freeze. It wasn't your fault. It was your body trying to save your life. And I invite you now to slow down and just pause. Put your hand over your heart and breathe in gently and say out loud, my emotions are not my enemy. My feelings are not too much. My body was doing its best to protect me. Why emotional shutdown follows overwhelm? After the overwhelm comes the shutdown. Why? Because the nervous system can't sustain emotional overload forever. It hits a point where it says, this is too much. We have to shut it all down. Your system collapses into what's called dorsal vagal shutdown, the same response animals experience when they play dead to survive. You disconnect from joy, feel emotionally numb, lose your motivation, your spark, your aliveness. And society tells you, just push through, just snap out of it. But they don't understand. You are not lazy, you are not broken, you are not giving up. You are surviving the only way your nervous system knows how. And this is the truth. This can be healed, not through force, through reconnection. Whisper to yourself, I honor the part of me that learned to freeze. I honor the part of me that survived. I am ready to learn a new way. In my work, I guide my clients through what I call the safer method for healing emotional overwhelm. Here is how it works. Stop, anchor, feel safety. Empty gently, reaffirm safety. S is for stop. Recognize your overwhelm. Awareness breaks the automatic cycle. A is for anchoring. Connect to your body, feet, hands, breath, right now, right here. F, feel safely. Allow one feeling at a time. Label it. Don't drown in it. E, empty gently. Move it out. Through breath, shaking, walking, stretching. R, reaffirm safety. Tell your body, it is safe to feel. It is safe to be. This method teaches your nervous system that emotions are rivers, not tsunamis. You can let them move through you without losing yourself. And I invite you to say it out loud. I'm learning to feel safely. I'm worthy of feeling fully alive. Let's practice together now. Close your eyes softly. Place one hand on your belly and one on your heart. And start by feeling the rise and fall of your breath. Feel the feet pressing into the ground beneath you, supporting you, rooting you. Inhale. It is safe to feel. Hold. Exhale. It is safe to heal. Inhale. It is safe to feel. Hold. Exhale. It is safe to heal. And one more time, inhale. It is safe to feel. Hold. Exhale. It is safe to heal. Feel your chest soften. Feel your jaw unclench. Feel your soul exhale. This is the beginning of coming home to yourself. Imagine waking up and not dreading your emotions. Imagine trusting yourself to handle sadness, anger, joy without fear. Imagine living from your wholeness, not your trauma. This isn't fantasy. It's biology. It's healing. It's waiting for you. Each breath you take towards safety, it's progress. And your soul is cheering you on. Let's build that life together. Until we meet again, may you be at peace. May you be loved. May you be loved. And may your journey be filled with light and joy. Take care and be well.